In this video, you'll learn how to filter a Notion database effectively. This process will help you manage your data more efficiently by allowing you to view only the entries that meet specific criteria. Begin by navigating to the Notion website by entering notion.so into your web browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion interface, which features a clean layout with a sidebar on the left and a workspace on the right. Next, locate the title of the page you want to work with in the sidebar. Click on this title to open the corresponding page. After clicking, the content of the selected page will display in the main workspace area, allowing you to interact with the existing database. After that, click on a blank space within the page to ensure you are ready to add a new database. This action will give you a clear area where you can input commands without interfering with existing content. Type in /database in the blank area. As you type, a command menu will appear, showcasing various options related to databases. This menu will help you quickly find the right database type for your needs. Once the command menu appears, click on Database Inline from the options available. This action will insert a new inline database directly into your page, providing a seamless way to integrate it with your existing content. Now click on Tasks Tracker, or the name of the database you want to filter. You should see the database populate with all current entries, allowing you to interact with the data effectively. Next, click on the Get Started button that appears in the database. This step will guide you through the setup process and ensure your database is configured correctly for filtering. Click on the Done button once prompted. This confirmation will finalize the initial setup, and you will be directed back to the main database view. Navigate to the slider option within your database setup. Click on it to adjust the settings as needed. This interaction allows you to customize how you want to filter your database entries. Next, click on Add a Property, for example, to introduce a new filter criterion. This step is essential for defining how you want to view your data based on specific attributes. Click on Checkbox, for example, to select the type of filter you want to implement. This action adds a checked box property, enabling you to filter based on checked or unchecked items. Now click on Filter to initiate the filtering process. This action opens a new menu where you can define the criteria for your filter. In the filtering options, click on Checkbox to specify which property you would like to filter. This selection will narrow down your entries based on the checkbox status. Click on Unchecked to set the filter to display only those entries that are not checked. This adjustment will help you focus on tasks or items that require attention. Next, click on Check to apply this filter. This action will update the displayed entries to reflect only those that meet your criteria. Finally, click on Check again to confirm your filter settings. This last confirmation will ensure that all checked items are now visible based on your filtering preferences. That concludes the process of filtering a Notion database. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.